full of adventure. Every journey has a story waiting to be written. For adventure bike enthusiasts around the globe, we understand that the thrill of the ride is more than just a journey. It's a way of life. This is why we introduce our latest innovation, designed for those who crave the ultimate riding experience. The GILLES Tech-X foot peg, crafted with precision engineering from a solid block of premium aluminum and sculpted by state-of-the-art CNC machines. Every contour and every curve of our newest innovation is a testament to the artistry of motorcycle craftsmanship. But it's not just about form, it's also about function. This remarkable innovation owes its magic to an intelligent and finely crafted damping method. A rubber mounting system nestled between the foot peg and the joint not only absorbs the motorcycle's fundamental vibrations and cushions shocks on uneven terrain. Additionally, the elasticity of the rubber connections allows the foot peg to move in both horizontal and vertical directions, enabling the foot peg to respond to the rider's weight shifts during the ride. Depending on the rider's position, the distinctive tread surface with its finely milled recesses provides optimal grip and ensures reliable slip resistance, no matter if they are standing or sitting. Elevate your adventure and embrace the freedom of the open road with our adventure bike foot peg. GILLES, driven by function.